Hey folks, I've run out of time. I have to get this water tank fixed today. I have a water delivery coming tomorrow. Things have been just going not to plan on the homestead for the past week or two. I have all the pieces to do the repair. Now I'm just going to get it done. What I need to do is replace this valve that's on the tank. But that means I also have to replace these pieces and a piece of pipe. I've glued this piece of PVC pipe to the male nipple fitting. This is going to go into the tank. What I'll be doing is attaching this pipe in the fitting to the water tank. Once that's in place, I'll be gluing this other piece on so that I don't have to try to turn the valve with the handle in the way. Boy, the bugs are really nasty out here, even though the wind's blowing. Now we're ready to go install these pieces on the tank. Should be interesting. Hope everything works just fine. I'll know tomorrow when I get the water delivery. Unfortunately, that's the only time I can really tell if this thing is leak-proof. So let's go ahead and get that job done. Well, I'm here at the tank. I've already loosened up this old valve and the fitting in preparation for installing the new fitting and the new valve. Now I know there's still water in this tank because when I opened this up, some came out. I want to try to preserve as much of that water as I can. So I'll be ready with this right away. It's awfully easy to cross-thread these PVC fittings, so being careful. Now that should be tight enough. This is a little bit of a risky process because I don't want to tighten this up so much that it deforms the fitting. If it deforms the fitting, it's going to leak. If I don't tighten it enough, it's also going to leak. So we're going to give it a shot. That's all there is to this piece of the job. I have the valve installed on the tank. Tomorrow when the water delivery happens, I'll get the delivery guy to put in probably 400 or 500 gallons and I'll look for leaks. At least that way if it leaks, I won't waste several thousand gallons. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.